I want to let you in on a little secret. I don't actually have a craft room. And now you may think, well, that's kind of a weird choice to name your YouTube channel Gerry's Craft Room. And that's right, but when I started my YouTube channel in 2016, I actually did have a craft room. At the moment I'm occupying a corner in my living room, and it's a really nice space, but it lacked a little bit of identity, and it was my identity it lacked. It wasn't really me, so I decided that it needed to change a little bit, especially with COVID going around, spending a lot of time at home. I had to spice it up a little bit. So we started with the desk. Bibi was supervising, and my husband put the cabinets and the desktop all together. And that was the easy part. I have been thinking about it a lot, how to change it, how I could make it more me. But this summer, yes, we went to work and we changed a lot. So let me take you on a little tour. Come on, let's go. So we started with emptying all the bookshelves, which was quite a lot. And then, there's the empty bookshelf, and here are all the blanks that we had to paint. Here is the first paint layer, and I had some testing on my table. We did some more painting in the living room, a makeover for the fireplace, and this was my big test. And we painted the walls, and finally painted the bookshelf and put it back together again. So then it was almost done, and I wasn't quite ready to share it with everyone because it wasn't finished, it wasn't perfect yet. So then I had a video chat with my dear friend Ingrid Blackburn, and she's a wonderful crafter, a dear friend, and she has helped me out a lot this summer. And she asked me, "Hey Gerry, did you change your backdrop? Did you paint it?" So I said, "Yes, I did." She says, "It looks wonderful." And I said, "Well, thank you, but it's not quite finished, it's not perfect." And then she said, "It doesn't have to be perfect. It's really beautiful, so just share it with everyone. They will love to see it." So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to show you my bookshelf. That's not perfect, and I'm going to show it anyway. So here we are in my new craft room, which isn't a craft room because I'm in the living room. So the Christmas tree is up with the shadow box that I made a few years back, and I still like really a lot. And I have some balls on a string because they didn't fit on the Christmas tree anymore. So that's my Christmas decoration. And here you can see my new craft space with some cabinets underneath the desktop, which gives me a lot of space to tuck away things that I don't want to see all the time. So here it is, my bookcase, and I really like how it turned out. It's a little bit grungy and maybe distressed kind of feeling that it has. I have done some dry brushing and I have lots of space here, but it's also open, and I'm really, really excited about it because it turned out really wonderful, and well, I really like it. And it's very me. So here I am in my crafty corner with my bookcase, not finished, but it's already really beautiful. At least that's what I think. And I'm really excited about it. I hope you liked the little craft room tour, and it was a great tip from Ingrid that it doesn't have to be perfect. So make sure to keep that in mind if you are a perfectionist, or if you are being perfectionistic. Then let it go, let it go. Let's sing a song. Beautiful song, by the way. So that's what I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you liked my tour, and yes, if you want to see another video, you can check out. I have lots of videos on my channel for more inspiration. And as always, make sure to keep on crafting.